In this video I will show you how to remove stain from white clothes. Welcome to our detailed guide on tackling one of the most common laundry challenges, removing stains from white clothes. White garments are a wardrobe staple, but they also show stains more prominently than any other color. Whether it's a splash of coffee, a drop of red wine, or the dreaded ink blot, we've got you covered. This video will provide you with practical, easy-to-follow tips and advice to keep your whites looking bright and fresh. Understanding the stain. The first step in effective stain removal is identifying the type of stain you're dealing with. Different stains require different treatments. Protein-based stains, like blood and sweat, oil-based stains, like makeup and grease, and tannin stains, like coffee and tea, each have their unique removal methods. General stain removal tips. Before we delve into specific types of stains, here are some general tips that apply to most stain removal processes. Act quickly. The sooner you treat a stain, the better your chances of removing it completely. Blot. Don't rub. Rubbing a stain can spread it and make it worse. Gently blot the stain instead. Check the label. Always check the garment's care label before attempting any treatment. Test first. Before applying any product, test it on a small, inconspicuous area of the fabric. Use cold water. Hot water can set some stains, making them harder to remove. Specific stain removal techniques. Protein-based stains. For blood, sweat, or other bodily fluids, rinse under cold water to remove as much of the stain as possible. Apply a small amount of liquid detergent directly to the stain and gently rub it in. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. If the stain persists, try using a mixture of water and hydrogen peroxide. Oil-based stains. For makeup, grease, or oil stains, apply an absorbent powder, like talcum powder or cornstarch, and let it sit for a few hours. Brush off the powder. Treat the area with a pre-wash stain remover or liquid detergent. Wash as usual, checking the stain before drying. Tannin stains. For coffee, tea, or wine stains, flush the stain with cold water. 2. Apply a mixture of water and vinegar to the stain and let it soak for a few minutes. Rinse thoroughly. If the stain remains, use a stain remover stick or spray. Alternative solutions. Baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste for a gentle, natural stain remover. Lemon juice and sun. Apply lemon juice to the stain and let the garment sit in the sun. The lemon juice acts as a natural bleach. Tips for keeping whites white. Separate laundry. Always wash whites separately to prevent colors from bleeding onto them. Use the right detergent. Choose a detergent designed for whites. It can help to maintain their brightness. Avoid overloading. Don't overload your washing machine. Clothes need room to agitate for effective cleaning. Frequently asked questions. Can I use bleach on all white fabrics? No, not all white fabrics can handle bleach. Check the care label and test a small area first. How can I remove a stain that has already set? For set-in stains, soaking the garment in a mixture of water and detergent or water and vinegar can help. It might take several attempts. Is it safe to mix different stain removal products? It's generally not recommended to mix different products due to potential chemical reactions. Always use one product at a time and rinse thoroughly between applications. Final thoughts. Stain removal from white clothes can be challenging, but with the right approach and techniques, it's definitely achievable. Remember to act quickly, use the appropriate method for the type of stain, and always follow the garment's care instructions. With these tips and tricks, your white clothes will stay looking fresh and clean for longer. Remember, the key to effective stain removal is patience and perseverance. Don't be disheartened if a stain doesn't come out on the first try. Sometimes, it takes a couple of attempts to completely remove a stubborn stain. Good luck, and happy laundering! If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.